Welcome. Lalim. Nandito tayo sa Sulatagan.
Ang lalim, ano ba yan?
Magkilalas ka.
Okay. Biktima.
Hindi naman mainit.
Oo, hindi masakit. Mas masakit pa yung ano natin no, 3 o 4 okula.
Kasi bulilig ko sa paa. Ayoko nang dali.
We're here in Calatagan. Ebnas again. With the friendship. Or isa crap. Yeah, hindi lumulubog. Mag-swimming lang.
Pagka pinilit ko, magsira yung screen protector. Luluto. Ay, ang lalim na.
Oo.
O, yan na yung bangka.
May tubig. Wait lang. Okay, thank you.
Request mo yung listahan.
Pabigay na lang po yung ate.
Oo, may pasili siya. Ito sino ba yun? Sino yung pasili?
Yung ano, listahan.
May kapalit
Ni
yan.
ate.
Wala.
At ang
Kukunin mo yung
extra
cellphone.
rice.
Sige, may kapalit, kainin mo to.
Wala.
Oo, kakainin ko yan. Kumakain ako yan.
Kainan ni Alice.
Sino yun?
Si Alice Guo.
Ay, oo, yung ano. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Si Kiev.
Kip!
Sa birthday ko, magkikips tayo.
Ehe.
Alis ka dyan, balit.
Uy, malulungkutin yan pag ginaganyan mo.
Alis ka dyan. Again, 1, 2, say it fast. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you never leave me. The touch of your hand says you catch me wherever I fall. You said, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. In behalf of the Master of Mervyn Restaurant, we would like to greet the birthday celebrant. Sino po yung celebrant? Ma'am, happiest birthday. More birthdays to come.
May God bless you!
Happy birthday to you.
Para ano? Para mag-nature.
Oh, MG! Baka kainin tayo ng monster! Ano ba yung the moist?
Pag wala kang fog light, ganyan.
No, yung taillight niya. Yung pag wala kang fog light, di yung headlamp
Headlamp?
mo. Bobo.
Ay,
Pomelo.
FM.
Yes.
Oh no. The mansion of the Marquesas.
Ah.
Ay, may ano, may Q bells.
May tour.
Magti-tiktok sila dyan. Ay, hindi, no. Mag-ano sila dyan. Bayis. Down, baby, you're sitting on my